One sunny morning, Rosie the Refrigerator woke up with a newfound energy. She decided it was time to shake things up in the kitchen and organize the fun dash to see who could bring the most flavor to dinner. Benny the Blender, known for his smoothie surprises, quickly became her culinary partner. Together, they concocted a delightful fruit salad that captured the attention of everyone in the kitchen. But when Larry the Ladle accidentally spilled the bowl, it created a colorful mess. Instead of getting upset, they all joined forces to turn the chaos into a fun food fight, sprinkling laughter throughout the kitchen as they bonded and cleaned up the fruity disaster together.